Our recovery formula is my favorite formula. This is what I use on a daily basis. It contains 1,800 milligrams of CBD, which breaks down to 60 milligrams of CBD per serving. We do offer this in a couple different formulations. We have our full spectrum formula, which is going to have trace amounts of THC. The THC that's present in this formulation is not enough to be intoxicating, but there are some benefits to having that trace amount of THC. It actually acts as a catalyst for the other minor cannabinoids to interact with the endocannabinoid system. So there's definitely some benefit to having that in there. For those of you who choose not to or can't have THC in your system, we do offer a broad spectrum formulation for the recovery. So it's also 1,800 milligrams and 60 milligrams per serving. The difference between the full spectrum and the broad spectrum is with the broad spectrum formulation, there are still minor cannabinoids present, but the THC has been removed. There's a lot of products that you'll see online that are THC free, that they use what's called CBD isolate. CBD isolate is just the single molecule by itself. It's missing the minor cannabinoids, so there's no synergistic effect to products that are made with isolate. And you'll see that they'll brag about it. They'll say that it's 99.99% pure CBD. So we just feel that there's more benefit to having those minor cannabinoids present in the formulation. So that's why we choose a broad spectrum formula. As I mentioned earlier, this is the product that I use on a daily basis. So I take a half a dropper each morning. For me personally, it helps kind of keep me even keeled, helps with my stress levels. I also found some relief with seasonal allergies. We have other customers that give us their feedback on our products, and you can always check those out at trustpilot.com and just do a search for Saving Grace CBD so you can see what other customers have to say about our products and services. But some of the other feedback that we hear from customers, definitely a more helps with inflammation, because again, CBD is an incredible anti-inflammatory. But we've had customers come back and say that it helps with nausea, depression, just more of those severe ailments that people are dealing with. So again, certainly helps with just overall well-being. I notice a difference if I forget to take it in a day. I can just feel where my stress levels keep crawling and crawling up. So I can't say enough good things about the product in regards to that. Just like all of our other products, the carrier oil with our recovery formula is a organic MCT coconut oil, which again, the body tricks the body into thinking that it's a carbohydrate, so there is some more efficacy with the MCT coconut oil, and it's also a very stable oil, so it will you'll be able to store it in a dark, cool place for a long time without worrying about it going bad. So give our recovery formula a try. I think you're really going to enjoy it. I know I enjoy it on a daily basis. And again, if any of you have any questions about our products or have any concerns, you're always welcome to reach out to us directly. All of our products are third-party lab tested, so you can rest assured that it's going to be a safe product, and it's going to contain the amount of CBD that we advertise.